Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of exercise 3.5 and example also. Okay. So now exercise 3.5 question number 5 subdivision 1. Solve the equation 6x to the power 4 minus 35x cube plus 62x square minus 35x plus 6 is equal to 0. So I would like to rewrite once again the question. Solution 6x to the power 4 minus 35x cube plus 62x square minus 35x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a reciprocal equation type 1. Look at there. Already we know what is the meaning of type 1. an is equal to a naught. Then an minus 1 is equal to a1. It's going on. Look at there. This is an means coefficient of value 6 is equal to, there is also 6 is there. So we can say an is equal to a naught. Next condition an minus 1 minus 35. Here also minus 35. Therefore we can say an minus 1 is equal to a1. So it is type 1 reciprocal equation. So it is reciprocal equation. It is reciprocal equation type 1 even degree. So even degree. So each and every term divided by x square means what will happen? Divided by x square means 6x to the power 4 by x square minus 35x cube by x square plus 62x square by x square minus 35 by x square plus 6 by x square is equal to 0. So square 4 cancel 2 times, there square cube only 1 times repeat, square cancel, there is actually divided by x, there is nothing to cancel because constant value only is. Therefore after cancellation 6x square minus 35x plus 62 minus 35 by x plus 6 by x square is equal to 0. Now we have to like term. Like term means 6x square comparing with 6 by x square. So 6x square plus 6 by x square minus 35x minus 35 by x, then constant 62 is equal to 0. Again 6 take common outside means x square plus 1 by x square, then minus 35 take common outside means x plus 1 by x, then constant. So let x square plus 1 by x square consider for u square minus 2. Next one x plus 1 by x consider for u. Now what will happen? So instead of x square plus 1 by x square, u square minus 2. Therefore we can write it 6 of u square minus 2. Next one minus 35, only u, then constant 62 is equal to 0. So remove the bracket, 6 u square minus 12 minus 35 u plus 62 is equal to 0. Again 6 u square minus 35 u, then plus 12 minus 12, so plus 50 is equal to 0. So sum product rule means, product means 5 into 6 30, 300, sum means minus 35, isn't it? So definitely already we have the positive in product, so selected to both the sign will be equal. Equal means whether positive or negative, but should be both the sign negative sign. Why? The sum we have the negative 35. If you take LCM means 300 means true 150. Again 2 means 75. So again 2 means not 2 or 3 possible, no? 3 possible means 2 and 5. Again 5 means 5, isn't it? So what are the number possible actually? So 2 2s are 4. Yeah, 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Again 3 into 5 means 15. Look at there. 20 and 15. But minus 20 minus 15. If you product minus 20 into minus 50 means positive 300, then minus 20 minus 50 add means minus 35 will come, isn't it? Therefore, but we have the leading highest degree more than 1. So more than 1 means minus 20 by 6, then minus 15 by 6. Cancel means second table, no, 3 and 10. Here third table. So true and 5, isn't it? Therefore, how to rewrite now? The first one, 3u minus 10. Next one, true u minus 5 is equal to 0. Now one by one you have to apply. Instead of u, you can take it. What are the value? X plus 1 by x. So yeah, what is the meaning? U is equal to x plus 1 by x. First one, 3u minus 10 is equal to 0. 3u minus 10 is equal to 0. So 3 into x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 0. So remove the bracket, means 3x plus 3 by x minus 10 is equal to 0. Can cross multiply. 3x into x means 3x square plus 3 minus 10x is equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, sum product rule means product means positive 9, sum means minus 10. So definitely minus 9 and minus 1. Why? The product we have positive sign, so let's select it to same sign, whether positive or negative, but we have the negative sign. So we have the leading degree more than 1. More than 1 means minus 9 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Cancel means 3 times, isn't it? 3 times means definitely first one x minus 3, next one 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Separate 0 means x minus 3 is equal to 0, first one. X minus 3 is equal to 0. Next one, 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3 bring out opposite sign means positive 3. Now, here 3x minus 1 bring out opposite sign means positive 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 3. See, this is 3 means reciprocal of the value 1 by 3. So, first two roots, what are the value? 3 comma 1 by 3. Moving to next condition, 2u minus 5 is equal to 0. So, true u minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, what is the meaning of u? X plus 1 by x minus 5 is equal to 0. Again, remove the bracket means 2x plus 2 by x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x into x, 2x square plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 5x, no? Therefore, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, the product means positive 4, sum means minus 4. Definitely minus 4 and minus 1, isn't it? So, product means minus 4 into minus 1 means positive 4, then minus 4, minus 1 add means minus 5 will come. But leading coefficient more than 2. More than 2 means minus 4 by 2, again minus 1 by 2. There cancel means 2 times. So, x minus 2, next one, true x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then separate 0 means what will happen? So, x minus 2 is equal to 0, then true x minus 1 is equal to 0. The first one, x is equal to true, then 2x is equal to minus 1, bring out opposite sign means positive 1, therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. So, therefore, the 4 roots are, 3 comma 1 by 3 and 2 comma 1 by 2. This is answer for subdivision 1. Moving to subdivision 2. x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. First we have to rearrange it because power 4 is there, power 3 is there, nothing to square. So we have to add with 0 x square, isn't it? So solution x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 0x square then minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is, look at there, type 2 of reciprocal equation. What is the meaning of type 2? an is equal to minus a naught. Then an minus 1 is equal to minus a1. Look at there. This is an means positive 1. This is called minus 1. Then an minus 1 positive 3 means a minus a1 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, it is reciprocal equation. It is reciprocal equation type 2. Okay. Type 2 even degree. So, its type 2 even degree means definitely we can say minus 1 and positive 1 are the roots. Okay. Minus 1, positive 1 are the roots. Therefore, what are the factor? Minus 1 bring it opposite side means x plus 1 and x minus 1 is a factor. It's a factor. If you multiply means a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square means x square minus 1 is a factor. Now, the synthetic division method. So, synthetic division, look at there. What are the value? 1, positive 3, 0, minus 3 and minus 1. So, condition first one, positive 1 means 0, 1 plus 0 means 1, 1 into 1, 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 1 into 4 means 4, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, 1 into 4 means 4, minus 3 plus 4 means positive 1, 1 into 1 means 1. So, minus 1 plus 1. Next one, synthetic actually. Plus 1 is over, now minus 1. Minus 1 means 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 into minus 1 means minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to positive 3. Minus 1 into 3 means minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to positive 1. Minus 1 into 1 means minus 1. Therefore, look at there, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say, so 1 and minus 1 are the root means x plus 1 and x minus 1 are the factor. So, other factor means the constant x square, that is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, now, this is sum product rule not possible. The basic quadratic form x is equal to 1, b is equal to positive 3, c is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus b square means positive 9 minus 4 into 1 means only 1 will come divided by 2 into 1. So, x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5 will come, isn't it? Divided by 2 only. Therefore, other two roots, minus 3 plus square root of 5 by 2, then minus 3 minus root 5 by 2. Therefore, the four roots are, already we know minus 1 and positive 1, then minus 3 plus root 5 by 2, again minus 3 plus root 5 by, sorry my dear, this is plus means this is minus root 5 by 2. This is answer for subdivision true. Okay, I will continue the next question from exercise 3.5. Okay, be stay on the line. What is the question? Find all real numbers satisfying condition is there. I would like to write the question once again. Solution 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0. So, just you have to rearrange it. Instead of 4 we can write it 2 power 2 the whole power of x minus 3 into. So, law of indices means what is the meaning? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Just reverse it. Reverse it means a to the power m plus n means we can write now a to the power m into a to the power n. Like that 2 power x into 2 square. Next one plus 2 to the power 5 means 32 will come. Again 2 to the power 2x, just again rearrange it, 2 power x the whole square. This is considered for a to the power m the whole power n now. So just replace now, instead of m the power value n bring out inside. Okay. So next what we have to do, minus 3 into, so 2 square means 4 will come, isn't it? So 2 power x into 4 plus 32 is equal to 0. Again 2 power x the whole square, again 3 into 4 means minus 12 into 2x plus 32 is equal to 0. Let y is equal to 2 power x means what will happen? Y square minus 12y plus 32 is equal to 0. Now sum product rule. So product means positive 32, sum means minus 12. So already I told you, product positive sign is selected to, both sign will be equal, whether positive or negative. But if we have the negative in sum means both the sign will be negative. So minus 8 and minus 4. Check it there. Minus 8 into minus 4 means positive 32. Minus 8 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Therefore, we can rearrange it. Y square minus 8y minus 4y plus 32 is equal to 0. Again y take common outside means y minus 8. Again minus 4 take common outside means y minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, the common factor y minus 8, another one y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, so first condition y minus 8, second condition y minus 4 is equal to 0. So already consider for y is equal to 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x means minus 8 bring out opposite sign means positive x. So instead of 8, the cube of 2 is the 2 cube. What is the meaning of 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2 means 8 will come. Therefore, x is equal to, what is the answer? First one, x is equal to 3. Second condition, minus 4 bring out opposite sign means positive 4. Instead of y, we can apply 2 power x is equal to 4 means 2 power x is equal to 2 square. Therefore, second one answer x is equal to 2. Therefore, the roots are, that is real number, 2 and 3, isn't it? The roots are 2 and 3. This is answer for question number 6. I will continue one of the last question from exercise 3.5. Question number 7. Solve the equation 6x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 38x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Given also, this is also one of the solution. 1 by 3 is a one of the solution from this question. Okay. So, solution, I would like to rewrite the question. So, 6x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 38x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is reciprocal equation type 1. Look at there. What is the meaning of type 1 from theorem 3.6? an is equal to a naught, then an minus 1 is equal to a1. So, an coefficient 6, a naught also coefficient 6. Next one, an minus 1 is equal to minus 5, then a1 is equal to minus 5. So, we can consider for it is reciprocal equation type 1 even degree. It is reciprocal equation type 1, so even degree. Already given 1 by 3 is a one of the solution. So 1 by 3 is a one of the solution means definitely we can say reciprocal. 1 by 3 of reciprocal means 3 will come. This is also one of the two roots. Okay, just check it in synthetic division method. Question 6 minus 5 minus 38, again minus 5 positive 6. First 1 by 3, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 6 3s are 18, minus 5 plus 18 is equal to positive 13. So 3 into 13 is equal to definitely 39 will come, isn't it? Minus 38 plus 39 is equal to positive 1. 1 3s are 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Again 3 into minus 2 means minus 6. So first one 0. Next condition, reciprocal means 1 by 3, isn't it? So 1 by 3 means again 0. 6 plus 0 means 6. So definitely 1 by 3 into 6 means 2 times, isn't it? Again 2 into 13 means 26. So 26, look at there. Sorry my dear. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15, isn't it? Now 1 by 3 into 15 means 5 times. Again 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Again 1 by 3 into 6 means 2 times possible, positive 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now definitely x minus 3 and x minus 1 by 3 is a factor. Therefore other factor constant x square. So 6x square plus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. So sum product rule means product means positive 36, sum means positive 5. Already I told you selected product positive sign means selected to both sign will be equal, whether positive or negative. But if we have sum also positive, no, so we have to select it, both the time will be positive. So 12 and 3, look at there. 12 into 3 means 36, 12 plus 3 is equal to positive 15. But if we have the highest degree more than 1 means 12 by 6 and 3 by 6. What will happen? 2 times possible. There is also 1 by 2. Therefore, how to derive the line? Actually 6x square is there. We can write it x plus 2 and 2x plus 1, isn't it? Now, so x plus 2 and 2x plus 1, therefore the total factor x minus 3, then x minus 1 by 3, then x plus 2, then x plus 1 by 2. So equal to 0 means minus 3 bring out opposite sign means positive 3, minus 1 by 3 bring out opposite sign means positive 1 by 3, positive 2 bring out opposite sign means negative 2. Therefore x plus 1 by 2 means we can write it negative 1 by 2. This is answer for question number 7. Okay, so exercise 3.5 also complete. I will moving on concept, the name of Descartes rule. Okay, so I am moving to one of the important concept, the concept name Descartes rule. Okay, actually the name, proper name Descartes rule. So how to pronounce? So yes will be silent word. If it's silent word means we can say D-E-K-A-R-T, the Descartes. So yes, both yes will be silent words. So this is called Descartes rule. Simply we can say the Descartes rule, a number of sign change in coefficient. So number of sign change in coefficient. So number of sign change in coefficient means if you have one of the quadratic equation means basic quadratic form also, if you have ax square plus bx plus c, there is no sign change, because all the time will be positive. Sometimes we are considered for another one coefficient of with number. Another one coefficient of with number means f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square, then minus x plus 4. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 4 is, this is one of the quadratic equation. Means now you can check it starting with the plus. So plus 2 minus 1 sign change, again minus 2 minus no sign change. So minus 2 plus 1 sign change. Now we can say totally how many number of sign change? So number of sign change in positive, this is considered for positive, means number of sign change is equal to true. But instead of plus, if you consider for minus means what will happen? F of minus x is equal to minus x the whole cube, then minus 4 minus x the whole square, then plus 4. So already power of the value odd number means sign will be same. Minus x cube, there is minus x the whole square means positive x, So minus 4x square then plus 4. Now you have to check it in negative sign change. Negative roots means what will happen? Minus to minus, no sign change. Again minus to plus, one sign change. There is, we can say totally how many number of sign change? Only one sign change. So number of sign change is equal to only one. One of the important the theorem, it's a Descartes rule theorem statement actually. So number of positive roots cannot be more than number of sign change. If it consider what is the theorem statement actually, number of positive roots cannot be more than number of sign change. There is in positive real roots, there is actually number of sign change 2 is there. Consider for sign change yes means definitely cannot be more than 2. They are telling the statement. So look at there, starting with plus means 1 is there. This is negative, we can neglect it. Last one also negative. This is actually positive number, only 2 number is there. So what I am saying, only 2 number is positive means, so 2 will be possible, not more than 2. The theorem statement, the number of positive roots cannot be more than number of sign change. The same concept in negative also. So the negative real roots means what will happen? So number of sign change cannot be more than in number of sign change, cannot be more than. Here look at there, how many number of negative roots is there? Totally negative is there, negative 1 is there. Here also comparing positive 1 and a negative 1 also is there. So this is also one of the, what I am saying from these two concept, number of sign change cannot, positive roots cannot be more than number of sign change. That is one of the important statement. Okay, I will prove with one of the concept. This is the same condition I will consider. What is the value? X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 4. Look at there. So f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square minus x and plus 4. Now here total roots, power of the value 3 is there, isn't it? So positive and negative and imaginary. So number of sign change in positive, how many sign change? 2. Then negative, how many sign change? 1. Imaginary nothing, because 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 will be equal. So next case, what are the cases possible from here? How to reduce 2 by 2 to 2. 2 minus 2. Again, if you have the positive starting with 5 means 5 minus 2, 3. Again 3 minus 2, 1 like that. So each and every case is reduced for per 2. So there is 2 minus 2 means 0 possible cases. So there is only 1 is there means definitely 1 minus 2 means minus 1. We can write it 1 only. So already we know positive real cases, first case 2 roots, but second one number of sign change there is nothing. We have the negative only 1 sign change, therefore definitely we can say imaginary 2 roots will possible. So total 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So from these two cases, which case is possible, which case is correct for this question? Okay, we will check it. What are the values there? F of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 4. So now x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 4. Again x square take common outside means x minus 4. Again minus 1 take common outside means x minus 4. Therefore common factor x minus 4, then x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Separate 0 means x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then again x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to positive 4. Here x square is equal to minus 1, bring out opposite side means positive 1. So therefore here x is equal to plus or minus 1. So plus or minus 1 means positive 1 answer and negative 1 answer. So totally positive, what are the value? Positive 2 answer is there. Positive 2 answer is there. Negative only 1 answer is there. So negative only 1 answer. So first case is suitable answer for this question. Okay, I am moving to one of the biggest quadratic form with the suitable number of sign change. Okay, look at there. So what is the question actually? One of the biggest one, x power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 9x square minus 4x plus 12. Okay. Now look at there. First, number of sign change, that is f of positive x means what will happen? Positive to negative, only one sign change, negative to positive, one sign change, positive to negative, again sign change, negative to negative, no sign change, negative to positive, one sign change. Therefore, f of x is equal to number of sign change. Number of sign change is equal to 4, isn't it? 4. Okay, now f of negative. So, negative x means what will happen? Negative x means negative x the whole to the power 5. So, negative 3 into negative x the whole to the power 4 plus 3 into negative x the whole cube minus 9 into negative x the whole square, again minus 4 into negative x plus 12. So, power of the value 5 is there. So, definitely negative sign repeat. Negative x to the power 5, their power 4. Negative to convert for positive, therefore negative 3x to the power 4. There is negative power of the value also odd number, therefore we can write it negative 3x cube. Next one, minus 9x square, positive 4x plus 12, isn't it? Now number of sign change, negative to negative, no sign change, negative to negative, no sign change, negative to negative, no sign change, negative to positive, one sign change, positive to positive, no sign change. Therefore, number of sign change in negative roots, number of sign change only 1. Okay. Now, we have to write it, what are the possible cases for this question. So, positive, negative, then imaginary, then total roots. So, total roots, totally we have 5, isn't it? Now, positive, so number of sign change 4, then negative only 1, imaginary nothing. So, next case actually 4 minus 2 means 2 will be possible, again 2 minus 2, 0 also possible. There is actually 1 minus 1 means 1 minus 2 means minus, we can write it 1, here also 1. Now, 4 plus 1, 5, first case is okay, second case only 2 positive sign change, 1 negative sign change. So, definitely imaginary 2 sign change, then only 5. Here only imaginary 4 times possible, then only 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. We have the 3 possible cases, but which case is correct for this question? You have to check it, okay. So, first one, f of x is equal to x to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 9x square minus 4x plus 12. So, now first one, f of positive 1 means only 1 minus 3, positive 3 minus 9 minus 4 and positive 2. Look at there, only positive value 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16, again minus 16 will come, isn't it? Minus 3, minus 9, minus 12, minus 4, minus 16 is equal to 0. This is also one of the root. Then minus 1, check it there, minus 1 the whole power 5, odd number, so minus 1 will come. Next one, minus 1 the whole power 4 means a positive 1, so again minus 3 will come. There is actually minus 1 the whole power cube, odd number, therefore we can write it minus 3. Minus 1 the whole square means positive 1. So, positive 1 into negative 9 means negative 9. Next one, minus 4 into minus 1. So, positive 4, again positive 12. So, now 12 plus 4, the positive one 16. Now, minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 minus 12 minus 3 minus 15 minus 15 minus 1 is equal to minus 16 is equal to 0. So, now condition, do in synthetic division form, what are the value? 1 minus 3 positive 3 minus 9 minus 4 positive 12. First positive 1 means 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 into 1 means 1, minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2, 1 into minus 2 means minus 2, 3 minus 2 is equal to positive 1, 1 into 1 means 1. So, minus 9 plus 1 means minus 8, so 1 into minus 8 means minus 8, minus 8 minus 4 means minus 12. 1 into minus 12 is equal to minus 12. So, 0. Next one, next case, Negative 1 means again 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3 means positive 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to positive 4. Minus 1 into 4 means minus 4. Minus 8 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Minus 1 into minus 12 means positive 12. So we have 0. So we have the 1 and minus 1, two roots already we got it. So remaining the roots, this is constant x square, x cube. Therefore, we can write it x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Again, x square take common outside means x minus 3 plus 4 take common outside means x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have the common factor x minus 3, another one factor x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Now separate term means x minus 3 is equal to 0. Next condition, x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to positive 3. Plus 4 bring out opposite sign means minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus true I will come, because square root negative value means that is not a positive cases, only imaginary. That's why I have written for plus or minus true I. So what is a suitable answer? What is a suitable answer? We have the three possible cases. So already we have 1 and negative 1. So positive 1 answer is there. Here also 1 answer. So positive true answer. So positive true answer. The negative there is only 1. Yeah, only 1. Yeah, negative imaginary roots plus 2a and negative 2a. This is so second case is suitable for correct answer this question. So positive true, negative 1 value, imaginary true value. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of Descartes rule. Simply we can say number of sign change in coefficient. Okay, so I hope you are satisfied in this session. Please, my dear students, if you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am always with you, ready to clarify your doubts also. I will continue some questions with next session. Bye bye.